Today I'm going to share with you how you can repurpose your long form content on YouTube step by step and turn it into short form content using AI. And I'm going to share with you how simple it is and how you can do this in a matter of clicks. So let's get started. Next step is you need to come over to this platform right here, this AI Chopcast platform, which I'll leave a link in the description below for you. So once you're in this platform, you will need to sign up. And when you do sign up, you'll get up to 60 minutes for free to use this platform as you wish. So you will not have any of these videos that I share right here. These are the videos that I've already uploaded, as you can see. So the first step is you need to come to this platform right here. You need to click on the new tab right here, and then you want to click on upload video. So you can upload a video directly from YouTube with the URL link. Really simple. I'm going to share with you how you can do this. So I'm going to go over to one of my videos right here. All I do is take this address right here and copy it, and then go back to this platform right here, Chopcast. This is the one I was just on. All I do is paste that link into here, and then all I do is click upload. So once I click upload, it will take a few minutes to do the process. So they will let you know even in your email address. They'll notify you when they're complete with the process right here. But sometimes they can be quick. It'll be like 2 minutes max. So as you can see, they're still processing it. It might show up right here. So this is a clip that I've just completed right here. So once it has completed, you should get an email address saying that the AI has cut up the clips for you. And all you do is just come back to Chopcast and you should have it here on your home page, as you can see. And now you can actually edit the clips and move and change things around as you like. And I'll show you how you can do this. So all you do is click on the clips button right here. And now it should automatically have all the clips ready for you to edit them and do whatever you like. Now you don't have to do anything at all. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So all you do is click on edit. Now I want to let you know that it does give you subtitles here, but you can remove them. All you do is just double click and remove it and then submit changes. But if you want to keep the subtitles, that's fine as well. You can also change the actual whatever font you wish. As you can see right here, you can change the size as well and words per line. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. And the next process is you can come down to here and you can actually click on the topic. You can even search certain keywords that you say in this video if you wish. And then the next step is if you want to get this ready for YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok, whatever platform, you can actually resize it to the TikTok size on the right here. This drop down tab right here, you click on that and you can click on 9:16. You can do fit or crop. Crop I find better unless you want to fit it and just add another video of something else underneath it. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'll click on fit and it'll go to this size right here for you automatically. You can change your background color if you want. You can keep it like this if you wish. You can also add more text to it, or you can add images as well. But personally, what I would do is I'll go to the site, resize again, and I will clip on crop. So it'll just zoom it in and it'll fit the size. This is much more preferred, I reckon, if you are going to do short form content. So what you can do now is you can also change this, listen through it, and move this to wherever you wish. So if you want to move it down or less than 30 seconds, less than 60 seconds, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. And then once you've completed that, hit this and do this with every single clip that you have here. So all you do is keep on clicking over to the next one, resizing it, crop it, just like that. And then you can change all this once again. You can search the topics, you can search the keywords in the video, you can change this as well, like I said before. And once you're ready, you can just click on export and you want to do MP4 and you click on download. So once the download has processed, it might take a minute or less and it should be downloaded and you should have it right here, as you can see. Video, just like I showed you, and then you can download it and have it ready to go right here. So next, we're going to go upload this clip to TikTok. So all you do is click on upload on TikTok. So you can drag and drop the clips in here. So all you do is drag it into there and it's downloading and processing. You can add the caption. So avoid Discord. You can change it. I'm just giving you an example. You can change this as well, the image that it shows. You can have it public and then it's ready to go, as you can see right here. You can edit on here as well if you wish. That's fine as well. But all we need to do is close that and you can click on post. So it's really just that simple. That's how easy you can create short form content out of long form videos. Really straightforward and step-by-step video. I hope this helped you. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know in the description below. I do have a link in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.